Hi, this is Rob. Each TurboTax version has a federal-only version and a Federal Plus state version. If you live in a state that does not require a state income tax return, get the federal-only version. For example, if you live in Florida or Texas, get the TurboTax federal-only version. TurboTax Deluxe. TurboTax Deluxe is the version that applies to most people. TurboTax Deluxe is for people who own their own homes and pay a mortgage. Or if you do not own a home, but have very high medical expenses, then TurboTax Deluxe is for you. If you do not own a home and only have income from a W-2 job, that is a normal job in which you receive a W-2 form at the end of the year from your company, then TurboTax has a free version for you. You would have to go to the TurboTax website for that free version. TurboTax Deluxe is also good for you if you or your children attended college in 2020 and will receive a Form 1098E or Form 1098-T from your college. TurboTax Premier. TurboTax Premier is the next step up. It includes everything in TurboTax Deluxe. Use Premier if you sold stock, Bitcoin, mutual funds, or other investments in 2020. If you have rental income, use TurboTax Premier. If you have an employee stock plan, use TurboTax Premier. TurboTax Home and Business Version. The next step higher is the TurboTax Home and Business version. It includes everything in the Premier version and the Deluxe version. This version is for self-employed people, or if you are an independent contractor, a freelancer, a small business owner, a sole proprietor, you have a home-based business, or a home office. Home office. If you work for a company but had to work at home in 2020, then this version might be for you. There are special rules if you can deduct home office expenses if you're an employee. So research those rules first if you're buying this version just for the home office features. All the TurboTax versions include a free federal e-file, but if you also want to e-file your state tax return, that will cost extra. Okay, that is it. Good luck with your tax filing.